Hi, I want to show you how to change clock size on lock screen on your Google Pixel 9a. So, for that, we need to start by going in Settings and selecting Wallpaper and Style tab. Now make sure that you tapped on lock screen, and first thing you can do is to change its style. For that, you can swipe right until you find best option for the clock. Let's just find something, for example this one. Then you can go in clock color and size, tap on size, and from dynamic, which looks like that, you can switch to small option, and then it will appear in this upper left corner, just like that. So you can pick between dynamic and small. Dynamic is like on a full screen and small is small. And of course you can change color. So here you'll see default option, but you can switch to any other and change intensity. For example, this one, this pink, or any other color from the list. And then to save changes, just go back, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.